What's good, Grind family? Reggie P here. Let me ask you something. Are you getting tired of commuting to work every morning in that bad traffic? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $19 an hour worldwide at home. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $19 an hour worldwide at home. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, I don't want to waste any time. Let's just jump right into this. So please watch this video to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to offer you guys. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $19 an hour worldwide at home. Let's grind and let's get it. Internet. And I'm at this website called italki. And what this website does is hire people to teach people different languages. So it says here, become fluent in any language. So when somebody comes to this website, they can find any language they want to learn, and they will find a teacher, and the teacher will teach them the language. Okay, so it has 10,000 plus teachers, any language: Turkish, Hebrew, English, Spanish, Japanese, French, Chinese, German, Russian, Italian, Portuguese, Arabic. So any language you could think of, they have them here on this website that you can learn. So when they come here, they would just click on here where it says find your teacher. And here are the teachers. So you're going to sign up to become a teacher. So this is available worldwide, where it doesn't matter where you're at. This is available worldwide, so you can teach anywhere around the world. So here is the amount that you can charge to teach somebody your language. So like right here, English, they're charging $13. So that's an hourly rate. So you can charge $13 or more. And like I said, you can charge all the way up to $19 per hour. And here's another one in English. They charging just $10. Here's one just $6. And see, they also have trials, so they can pay for an hour. You charge a little bit less, and just to try it out for a trial. If they like it, then they start paying the regular amount. See, here's one $18 an hour. So you can, like I said, you can charge all the way up to $19 an hour. And here's one right here, they $29 an hour. But they teach English, even though but they also speak in Portuguese. So they have more than one language they can teach somebody. Here's one $25 an hour. So you can charge $19, you can charge lower, or you can charge $19 or charge a little bit higher than that. So that's all you have to do is just sign up on this website right here, become a teacher, put your rate, and start getting that money just for teaching the language. And they also have available on the app, so you can just install the app and use the app. So if you're interested in this website here, go to italki.com All right, now you know the website you can go to right now that will allow you to earn $19 an hour. So go ahead and sign up with that website and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money.
Yes, sir.
Free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down below in this video and all my videos is leading up to the 500 subscriber video. I'm currently at 441, so I'm less than 60 subs away, guys. So let's get this. Let's get it up to 500. Share this with everybody. Let's do this. Because what I'm going to do once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and reward the first person with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. And I'm going to reward the second person with $10 cash via PayPal. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button right now and drop a comment down below. Make sure you are creative with your comment and be original. Don't just say nice video. Well, be original with your comment. And whatever question you want to ask, just be unique and original and creative. All right, that's all I have for this video. Again, smash that like button. Let's get 25 likes, because the more likes I get, the more this video will be seen on YouTube, and that means more potential viewers and more potential subscribers. Because you know, when we get to that 500, I'm gonna give out this money to you. You could be the lucky one. And please drop a comment down below. Again, the more comments I get, the more this video will be seen on YouTube and more viewers will check this video out. And also share this all around the internet. We want everybody out there to look at this video and look at all my videos so they can become their own boss. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Thanks again for you guys' support. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you taking your time out of your day to watch my video and learn how to make money online and learn how to become your own boss, because I want to help thousands of people, and that's why I do this, because I want to help everybody become their own boss. All right. Until the next video, all I got to say is get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace.